You asked, how to divide 5037 by 3 using the long division method. 5 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 20 minus 18 equals 2. Bring down 3, making 23. 23 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 23 minus 21 equals 2. Bring down 7, making 27. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. 27 minus 27 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1679.